Hello and welcome, friends. Today we are going to discuss the qualities and characteristics of Libra, also known as Tula Rashi. If you are a Libra, or if you have someone in your family or friends who is a Libra, then this video is for you. In today's horoscope, we'll be diving into Libra's unique traits, their careers, relationships, and health. So let's get started. Inclined, positive, and balanced. This signifies that Libra individuals are fundamentally communicative and connected. They have a tendency to express thoughts and share news, connecting with others easily. Libras are all about establishing relationships and connections that lead to beauty, organization, and harmony. They possess an innate ability to work in cooperation with others and can take charge when needed. Libra is symbolized by a scale, representing balance in life. These individuals always aim to maintain equilibrium in their own lives. They often search for the balanced qualities in others that they may not have within themselves. Libras tend to second guess decisions, taking longer to weigh both opposing and supportive arguments until they find themselves shifting from one extreme to the other. Libras are charming, kind hearted, and gentle. They have a natural desire for diplomacy and cooperation, always striving to foster unity and peace. In situations of conflict, they can become uneasy and try to avoid tension. They have a strong sense of art, beauty, and order, and are highly idealistic. Although often seen as slow or indecisive, their hesitation is usually due to their meticulous evaluation process and a tendency to be cautious. Intellectually, Libras are sharp and well suited for balanced decision making, yet they tend to show hesitation. Their way of thinking is influenced by liveliness, a love for trends, and a desire for compromise. Libras are often successful in achieving their ideal relationships. They are fully aware of even the smallest flaws in their partner, but hesitate to discuss them, fearing it could disrupt the balance in their peaceful life. They enjoy mental connection and harmony over physical union. However, some Libras might be prone to superficial love and relationships based on outward appearances. Libras can be indecisive and may struggle with changing or firming up their views. Their emotional nature makes them sometimes overly flexible, which leads to confusion or lack of conviction. Trust issues can arise from their tendency to hesitate and avoid confrontation. Libras thrive in careers that involve human interaction and connections. Jobs that allow for creativity, aesthetic design, or fostering peace are ideal for them. They excel in roles that require diplomacy, such as artists, poets, diplomats, makeup artists, social workers, or those in fields like law, sales, and brokering. They also succeed in professions requiring balance and harmony in team settings. Libras are highly motivated by the desire to connect with others, build relationships, and maintain social harmony. They feel a strong sense of social responsibility and often work towards making society a more ideal place. Sometimes this leads to personal dissatisfaction due to their own unrealistic expectations. Health wise, Libras may face issues with kidneys and lower back. They are also more prone to joint pain or discomfort in the spine. Their health tends to be connected to a need for balance between work and rest, as stress can affect their overall well being. That's all for today's Zodiac friends. If you enjoyed learning about Libra, make sure to share this video with your Libra friends and family members. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sataraka Safar for more amazing astrological content. Stay tuned, and may the stars guide you towards a harmonious and balanced life. See you in the next video.